Imagine you're sitting in a cozy coffee shop, sipping your favorite beverage. A friend approaches you and asks, "Have you heard of Vivid Money?" You nod, intrigued. Your friend continues, "I've been using it for a while now, and it's amazing." But is it actually a bank? You pause, thinking. Is Vivid Money a bank, or is it something else entirely? Let's find out. Today, we're diving into the world of Vivid Money to answer this burning question. Is it a bank? Or is it something different? Let's explore. Vivid Money is a financial app that offers various banking services. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not a traditional bank. So, what is it? Well, think of it as a digital financial platform. It partners with banks to provide you with banking services, but it operates independently. Key differences between Vivid Money and a traditional bank. No physical branches. Unlike traditional banks, Vivid Money doesn't have physical branches. Everything is done through its app. Partner banks. Vivid Money partners with banks to provide its services. This means it doesn't hold your money directly. Fees and charges. Vivid Money often has fewer fees compared to traditional banks. However, it's essential to check the specific terms and conditions. Benefits of using Vivid Money. Convenience. With the Vivid Money app, you can manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. Customization. You can customize your app with different themes and features to suit your preferences. Cashback and rewards. Vivid Money often offers cashback and rewards programs on your purchases. Easy budgeting. The app can help you track your spending and create budgets to manage your money effectively. Is Vivid Money safe? A common concern is the safety of using a digital financial platform. Rest assured, Vivid Money employs robust security measures to protect your data and funds. It uses encryption technology and multi-factor authentication to safeguard your information. Additionally, your money is held by partner banks, which are regulated by financial authorities. So, is Vivid Money a bank? To answer the original question, no, Vivid Money is not a bank. It's a digital financial platform that partners with banks to provide banking services. While it offers many of the same features as a traditional bank, it operates differently. The key difference lies in its lack of physical branches and its partnership model. Whether Vivid Money is the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient, digital-first banking experience with features like cashback and budgeting tools, Vivid Money might be worth considering. However, it's essential to do your research and compare it to other options to find the best fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.